this video is all about how to fold and unfold the new RiutBag Crush, a secure and very light city day pack. Okay, hello, I'm Sarah Giblin. I'm the designer of the RiutBag. This is a very light Riot bag. Riot bags are secure backwards backpacks, and this is the RiutBag Crush. It's a secure day pack which folds down, as you can see, into its own pocket. So when you receive it, it's like this, and you just unfold it. And out comes your 14 litre day pack. It's bright green inside so that you can find things in the different pockets. And what makes it a Riot bag is that there are no zips or openings on the outside which other people could open. Instead, all of the zips and openings are on your back. And when you zip them up to the centre, which is where the zips sit on a Riot bag, and you put this on against your back naturally will protect all of the openings. So that means when you're on holiday or if you're making your way through your own home city, you can be completely calm knowing that no one could take anything out, nothing's going to fall out, your zips are irrelevant, everything is totally fine, and you can just enjoy travelling around the city that you're in. So here's how you actually fold the RiutBag Crush back together again. It all happens in this pocket. This is the D pocket on the back of the RiutBag. First thing we're going to do is turn this inside out. We're going to push all the corners as far out as we can because we need the whole space inside. Now, with the front of the bag facing upwards, we're going to grab a strap and just fold in a little bit to the side so you can just see this zip down the side here. We're going to do it on the other side as well. Grab your strap and just pull it in so that both the zips are visible on both sides. Now we're going to fold this once, first of all, to get it in this shape, and then you're going to take the whole thing, and when you fold it the second time, it goes right into its little pocket. So let's look at that again. We're going to fold the entire bag into the D pocket. And that means, first of all, turning the D pocket inside out, because the entire bag's going to fit inside there. Then the next thing we need to do, we've got the Riot bag sort of ballooning out over the top. So you grab a strap, and then you only need to fold over about a strap's width on each side, because what we're trying to do is line up the whole top of the Riot bag with the pocket it's about to go into. Then the main folding, we've got to fold it in thirds. The first third folds onto the second third, and the second third folds into the D pocket, and you can push it right in and it should be flat. Then you grab the outer zips and shut the bag, and now this can go straight into your main luggage. And it's quite slim, and then as soon as you get home again or when you arrive on holiday, you can just grab this and this becomes your day pack or your day bag if you are so inclined. So that's the RiutBag Crush, how it folds and unfolds.